everybody, Fast Action Blades here, out for the second time with the SlingshotWarrior Slingshot. If you recall the first video that I put out, I was shooting marbles on these plastic jugs. So I've got new ammo today. I've actually got some ammo sent to me directly from SlingshotWarrior. He suggested using these. He said these will probably pierce the plastic jug. So let's get down to shooting these.
Nice. Beautiful.
And it's right inside the
Oh,
bottle.
It went inside?
It's inside.
Beautiful.
Nice. There's the hole right there. SlingshotWarrior, you were correct, buddy. There is the little bolts or the bolt and the nuts and the washer inside the jug. Cool. I only got one hit on it there, but at least we proved that we can penetrate the jug with the metal ammo versus the marbles. So worked out very well, and thanks for watching, everyone. You have yourselves a great day.